equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean cloth. First, power off your Razer laptop and unplug it. Remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep them safe, you'll need them later. Next, gently pry open the back panel with the spudger. Be careful not to damage any clips. Once open, locate the battery. It's usually secured with a few screws. Remove these screws and disconnect the battery connector. Now, take your new compatible battery and connect it to the motherboard. Secure it with the screws you just removed. Before closing the panel, take a moment to clean any dust inside. A clean laptop runs better. Reattach the back panel and screw it in place. Power on your laptop to ensure everything works. If you need help, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Enjoy pickup and delivery at your home, so no calls, no travel. Get a quote before repair to know your costs upfront. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.